Hello students, let us discuss now activity 2.10 NCERT Science class 10th. In this activity, it is asked take 10 ml of water in a test tube. Then add few drops of concentrated H2SO4 sulfuric acid in it. Touch the test tube. Is there change any temperature? Is this process exothermic or endothermic? Repeat the activity with sodium hydroxide pellet. Let us understand this. Dissolving acid or base? Acid or base? Acid or base in water is always exothermic reaction. Is always exothermic reaction. So temperature of test tube is increased. It is always advised add acid in water, not water in acid, because this is a highly exothermic reaction. Large amount of energy is released in this process. If water is added to acid, test tube may break or may cause burning. So, never add acid in water. For this, you can use this mnemonic PA, means pour acid in water. Pour acid in water. Same happens with base. Add base in water, not water in base. Thank you.